Hello, welcome. We woke up this morning in Port Douglas and thank you Mum for getting us this little spot at this campsite. So today we're gonna walk down to the main strip and check it out. It's the end of the day now and we are currently walking to go see the cane toad races at Chili's. Good morning, we are currently at the Daintree Village and we're just about to hop on to a Daintree river cruise. We just finished our tour and it was so cool. We got to see lots of big and small crocodiles, and now we're currently on the Daintree ferry that takes us across to the other side of the Daintree Rainforest. We are currently at the Cape Tribulation. It's a little bit overcast, but it's still stunning. Good morning, it's the next day. Yesterday we went to the Daintree Ice Cream Cove, where basically it's a farm where they homegrown exotic Queensland fruit and they turn it into ice cream. And yesterday we tried the jackfruit soursop wattle seed with coconut and it was so delicious. If you're ever in the Daintree, definitely go there and eat the ice cream because it's so amazing. Yesterday we also did a botanical walk here in the Daintree Rainforest, and along the way in our walk we had a little friend start following us. A cassowary was following us with its baby and we're just basically calmly walking off in the other direction. But yeah, it followed us for a bit but then it stopped. But that was an experience because I've never seen a cassowary in the wild, and we were just talking about how we've never seen one yet and we saw one. So yeah, last night we stayed at the Link Haven Rainforest Retreat and it was such a beautiful campsite. It had rescue wallabies there where we had a little cuddle with them. It was so cute, and they also had lots of little walks around the Daintree Rainforest within the campsite, which was so beautiful. Hi, so we went to a market, a fruit market, and we bought some fruits that we haven't tried before. 2 fruits that we haven't tried before.
Well, we've tried dragon fruit before, but we haven't tried it in the tropics and with the red flesh.
We also got a papaya.
This is a custard apple, which is also known as a sweet pop.
It was $8.50.
It's expensive at the moment. And then we've also got a custard melon, or candy melon.
Candy melon, yeah.
Melon.
What do we want to try first? The dragon fruit? Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad.
Yeah.
But
so I expected it to be sweeter.
It doesn't have a very strong flavour, which is kind of similar to how I've had dragon fruit before. Very good. Did not like it.
Me? Did you? Okay.
So the lady did tell us to let it ripen a little bit more, but we were too keen to try it.
Yeah. Well, we're letting the other half ripen. See what she means by ripen. I think I'm gonna like this. It's much like sweeter than all the others. My fave is this one.
Sweet. Well,
that's yours.
I'm happy. I got a whole half a candy melon.